In this example, I'm going to show you how we can solve to make A the subject of the formula. I would suggest that you stop and have a go and see if you can do this one on your own first. And if you can't, then I'll show you the solution. But this is kind of a little interesting one. It's not super typical, but it has a kind of creative solve. So let's, I'm going to show you how to do that. We've got 1 over f and equals 1 over a, which we want to solve for, or make a the subject of the formula, plus 1 over b. Now, 1 over a is a denominator, or a is a denominator to begin with. So what we don't really want a as a denominator. We want to get a onto the top side of the fraction. But we've also got this term on the same side as a. So my first move, I'm going to look to move this term first. So let's do that. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to reverse it by going 1 take b. So I'm going to take that term away from that side, and I need to do the same thing on this side. Take 1 over b. Now, if I rewrite the left-hand side, it'll be 1 over f, take away 1 over b is equal to 1 over a. I'm going to write it the other way around. So I'm just going to write 1 over a is the same as 1 over f take 1 over b. So I've got the a on the left-hand side of the equation. Now what I'm going to look to do is I'm actually going to look to bring these two terms together. So instead of having two terms, I just have one term. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply them by a fraction that is going to bring them together. 1 over f, I'm going to multiply that by b over b. And 1 over b, I'm going to multiply by f over f. Now we know that any number on top of itself, i.e. like 2 over 2, we know that's going to be equal to 1. We know 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So any number over itself is equal to 1, which basically means I'm multiplying these terms above by 1. So let's just get rid of that. If I multiply those out, I'm going to have 1 over a is going to be equal to, now we're going to have b over bf, subtract f over bf. And now you're going to see why why we needed to do that. So we're going to have 1 over a is going to be equal to, now we can put these into one term now. So we can have b take away f over bf. Since it's one term, we can take the reciprocal of both of these. So I'm going to put brackets around that, and I'm going to put -1, and I'm going to put brackets around that, and put -1. And what that is going to do is it means that we flip both sides. So if we flip a over 1, we're going to just have a. And if we flip this term on the right-hand side of the equal sign, we're going to have b over f over the top of b take f. And that's our solution. I'll just move some of this so we can see it very clearly. A equals bf over the top of b take f. If you'd like to have a look at how I did the reciprocal, I'm going to link a video down below that will have more information on how I did that. Otherwise, I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.